Yo, welcome back to Containing Luxury. So we have been kind of touching base on the fact, as I trip off a ledge, that we're going to do something cool with this container. We've got the 20 foot behind us, not a high cube, standard 20 foot, but we're building it out and we're going to do like a cool tiny house build. Now, we've been tossing around the idea of doing a giveaway or a raffle of those sorts, but we're not like super rich and we're not making a ton of money off of doing this. So we had to figure out a way that like we could afford to do that. So we're trying to work with our sponsors, blackoutcoffee.com and staypatriot.com, to see if there's a way that we could maybe, if people go on there to buy, they can get points, which will go towards the raffle of the giveaway. So the other thing that we're going to do, if people didn't really want to contribute buying those products or something, is start a GoFundMe that people could go on and donate $1, $5, $10, $1,000, whatever, to try and to pretty much get this to a point. I'm going to do all my labor for free, but I've got a budget, and I'll actually share that budget with you guys. I have a Google Drive that shows every dollar that pretty much went into this thing so far, and all the materials that I have ordered that are on their way here. And we are using the InSoFast system on this build, which is a big chunk of our budget as well. So with that being said, we really need to raise like $20,000 is what we estimate that this is going to cost me to build. And that's not paying my guys, any of my labor, or myself. So that's really like hard material costs. And then we need to transport it to wherever it's going to go for whoever wins this thing. So we just wanted to run that by you guys and see how everyone felt about this. Sorry if this is super shaky. I'm filming it on my iPhone. So besides that, let's build a container home and let's see if we can give it away to one of our cool subscribers. But really, if you think about it, we have like 42,000 subscribers right now. We need to raise $20,000 to be able to give this thing away. So if only half of our subscribers gave $1, we would be able to meet this goal and hopefully give it to somebody in need or something cool. So anyway, we wanted to run that idea by you guys, see how you felt. Make sure to hit the comments below and let us know if you guys want to, go after that goal. We'll have 3 different ways to contribute. Like we said, staypatriot.com, blackoutcoffee.com, or just the GoFundMe. And it will be about a 1-month build, and we're gonna film the whole build. As you can see behind me, as I'm trying to point, we already have the windows in, and we did impact windows. We welded the frames, and we have those videos yet to come. So anyway, guys, that's where we're at. Let me know how you feel. Hit the comments below. We're also going to do updates on the community section on the channel, so stay posted there. We're going to be a lot more active over the next couple of months. I know I was away. I had a lot of stuff going on. But anyway, that's the update. My hand is super shaky. I think I drank way too much coffee today. So we'll see you guys on the next one. Containing Luxury out.